I'm very pleased that I'll be coming back to Portugal this May. This will be the third year we've been teaching systemic team coaching in Portugal. This year is very special because we're not only going to be teaching the 3-day certificate programme, but many of the alumni from the previous 2 years are coming back in order to do an advanced programme looking at how do they take their skills to the next level. On the advanced programme, we'll be talking about how do we move beyond systemic team coaching, where we coach the team as a team and how it relates to all its stakeholders. And we'll be looking at ecosystemic team coaching. How do we coach teams relating to other teams? How do we coach the spaces between teams and create an organisation that is a team of teams? And this will be the first time that we'll be running this course, and this is the first people to receive it will be those in Lisbon this May.